I feel that trading daily would be stressful. Is that correct? Yes. You are right. Day trading is not a sustainable career. It's like going to a casino. And we can't name any successful day traders because they don't exist. And investing in companies or stocks or trading, whatever, it's tough because every month has 20 weekdays or 20 trading days. And usually stocks go up and down because of random events. You get fooled by randomness. And so, like stocks go up and down because of geopolitical events. Maybe there's some new discovery on a cure for viruses. Or it could be saber rattling between two countries, trade wars, etc. It could be a change in interest rates or chatter of a potential change in interest rates. Or it could be a company similar to the one you're investing in releases positive or negative news. So stocks go up and down in the near term based on stuff completely out of your control. And it's no surprise that people are talking about trading Bitcoin now. Now it's at an all-time high. You got to be long-term focused. You got to think to yourself, in 5 or 10 years, will this company I'm looking at investing in be more relevant or less relevant than it is today? And you have to do a thorough due diligence, a research analysis too, and write an investment report before investing in anything. And I teach my my MBA degree students this as well through this massive 100-step program that analyzes the qualitative, quantitative, and the financial aspects of a company. Yeah, you got to write at least a 1-page report, if not a very detailed 100+ page report, which I have down here as well. You got to put in the work always and be long-term focused, because I promise you that any great portfolio usually comes down to a handful of investments per year. And those handful of investments are bigger positions that you've done a lot of research on that you never want to sell because you've done the research on it yourself. Just trying to trade ranges based on the RSI rating or 50 or 200-day moving average. It's not sustainable. Yes, you can make money in the near term doing that, but you won't in the long run, I promise you. Be long-term focused, please, always. And I pride myself on teaching my students in my courses and in my degree programs how to think like a long-term investor. The longer the view, the wiser the intention.